How to claim unclaimed money in Texas. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can claim unclaimed money in Texas. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to claim unclaimed money in Texas, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Go to the property search page. You can access it through the menu by hovering over claiming property, search for unclaimed property, or by clicking the Get Started button on the home page. Step 2. Type in your last or business name and first name in the corresponding fields and click Search. If you receive too many results, try narrowing your search by entering a city. If you received an owner notice in the mail, type the property ID number into the corresponding field. Step 3. If you found property you can claim, click the Claim button. Once you've finished claiming property, click the Continue to File Claim button to begin the claims process. Step 4. Click the View Claimed Properties button. Review each property carefully and click File Claim. Step 5. Complete the claim form. Include your current mailing address and provide an email address. Select your relationship to the owner for each property before clicking Next. Step 6. Verify the address you entered to ensure they mail the check to a valid address. Step 7. Review your claim and click Submit. You will be given a claim ID that you can use to reference your claim and check its status. Step 8. If you have received a confirmation email letter requiring additional documentation, make sure you have the signed claim form and photo identification. Submit these documents to complete the process. So that's how you can claim unclaimed money in Texas. That's all for this video.